Hello friends, today I am going to teach you Mathematics chapter first, that is division. In this chapter, we will study the following, write the following figures, number and in words and the number which occurs in between two digits and the symbol greater than, less than and equals to and ascending order and descending order. So let's first discuss first question. Write the following in figures. So the first part of the first question is 404. How to written this given word in digits. So 404 is written as 404. Here 4 is ones, 0 tens and 4 hundreds. That is starts from right to left. So like as the next question is 349, which is written as 349. So the opposite of this question is here. Question number 2 is write the following in words. The first question of the second part is 721. It is written as 721. So 721 is written as 721, which is right as ones, tens, hundreds. So 700 and ones, tens, that is 20 and last is 1. That is now says 721. Now next is B, 671. So now it is written as 671. So this is here. Now the third question of the division part is question number is put greater than symbol, equal symbol or less than symbol in the boxes. So the box is here and before and after the boxes is given some numbers. After comparing we write this symbol here. So here question number 1 is A, 121, that is read as 121, boxes 121. So 121 is equals to 121. So here the symbol is equals to. So next is B, 316 and 215, that is read as 316 and 215. So in these boxes here 3 is greater than 2. So this one is greater than this one. So 316 is greater than 215. Now next is C, 104, boxes 101. Here this is read as 104, boxes 101. Here 1 is equals to 1 and next is 0 equals to 0. Next 4 greater than 1. So 104 is greater than 101. So and less than is as question number is D, that is 96, boxes 105. So 96 is here is 2 digit and here is 3 digit. So this is smaller. So 96 is smaller than 105. Now go for the next question, which is as arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So here the question is here, in this we arrange the given numbers in ascending order, that is बढ़ते क्रम में लिखना या फिर किसी भी दिए गए संख्याओं को बढ़ते हुए क्रम में व्यवस्थित करना. So the first question is 348, 384, 483, 438 and last is 645. Now arrange these numbers in ascending order. So First we write the at this number. So here 3 3 4 4 4. Here सबसे छोटा नंबर यहाँ पे आपका क्या होगा? 3 होगा, 3 होगा, तो कि दोनों सेम है. सो नेक्स्ट कंपेयर करेंगे 4 और 8 में, और यहाँ पे 4 क्या आपका छोटा है, तो हमें पहले ये नंबर नोट करना होगा. सो नाउ फर्स्ट नोट द 348. नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 384. नाउ दिस इज here, and next 4 4 and 6 we compare these three, then we get both numbers. Here 4 and 4 is same. Now next compare the second digit, 8 and 3. Here 3 is less than, so this number is first written as, that is 438. Now next is 483. Now 1 2 3 4, 4 numbers are written as, because 1 2 3 4 5 is here, so remaining the one which is last and later, so this is here 645. Now this order is in ascending order, so which is read as 348, 384, 438, 483, 645. Now like as the second question is here, so we solve this question like as above. 6 1 1 2 3. Here this is equal 1 and 1, so we compare 2 and 6, so it is smaller, so it is written as first. Now next is 162. Now next 2 is lesser than 3. Now this is here. Now next 346 is compared by 621. So here in previous questions we study about greater and small number, so we compare this one is, so 446 is smaller than 621, so 621 is here. Now this order is in ascending order, that is read as 126, 162, 216, 346, 621. Now we go for the next question, that is descending order, that is घटते हुए क्रम में व्यवस्थित करना. किसी भी संख्याओं को, कोई भी आपके पास संख्या दी हुई है, उनको अगर हम बड़े से छोटे हुए क्रम में लिखते चलें तो हमारा होगा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, दैट इज आपका घटते हुए क्रम में लिखना. सो हमें सबसे पहले आपको बड़ी संख्याओं को लिखना होगा, दैट इसी का उल्टा. अगर इसको रीअरेंज करें रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में, अगर इसी को लिखें तो हमारा बन जाएगा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर एज द सेम नंबर. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अरेंज द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज this question. Now we compare the numbers 6 4 6 5. Here 6 and 6 is greater, but this is equal, so now let's compare the second number digit 4 and 8, that is this is greater, so this is written by first, that is 684. Now next written as 648. Now next number is, we compare 512 by 468. Here 512 is greater than itna, so 512 is here, and now last 468. So this order is in descending order, which is read as 684, 648, 512, 468. Now we go for the next question part. Question number B. 303, 121, 141, and last is 102. Here the code is 4 numbers, which is 3 digits, 3 digits, and 3 digits. So these are equal. So now compare above like as above. Here 3 1 1 2, 3 is greater, so 303 is here. Now next 1 1 1 is equal, so we compare 2 and 4. So this one is greater. Now let's compare 4 and 0. So this one is greater. So 1 1 4 1 is greater than 4. So this is here. Now this is remaining part. Now we compare 1 and 1, which is equal. Now 2 and 0. So this is greater. Now 1 2 1, and last is 1 0 2. So This order is in descending order, which is read as 303, 141, 121 and lastly 102. So now lecture 2.